Mobile is where your customers live now. But while every swipe tells a story, most companies can't read it. The data is there, buried in millions of interactions, but the insights aren't. Until you connect what happens in-app to the bigger customer journey, you're flying blind. With so many digital signals coming in from key places like your mobile app, how do you know where to prioritize your focus? You start with what's making the biggest impact. Fortunately, our customers have been doing that for years with our digital experience analytics solution. But today, as native app experiences are becoming second nature for how customers interact with your brand, I want to show you how flagging a seemingly simple issue can save your business thousands in trickle-down costs. So let's take a look at a native mobile app's performance to see what issues are bubbling to the surface. So, I've got our digital experience analytics solution open for a retail brand called Good Home, and it's constantly analyzing every interaction a customer has with Good Home's digital experiences across their website and mobile app. Today, we're focusing on Good Home's mobile app. There's been a 30% increase in purchases made through the app this year, a trend they don't expect to slow down anytime soon. Scanning over the dashboard in digital experience analytics, the best place to start looking for business impact is the digital experience score. We call it DXS. This score is actually made up of 5 key pillars that influence any digital experience: engagement, technical, form, frustration, and navigation. Every digital friction point is mapped into one of these pillars. So when a score is having an impact on customer experience, you can take a look under the hood and see what behaviors are affecting the experience. For Good Home, it looks like the frustration score is getting worse. So let's pop in and see what's driving the change. There's a whole slew of digital behaviors that get captured by Medallia. And here we see just a few mapped into the frustration score. The biggest one that would stick out to any digital leader at Good Home would be unresponsive touches. Something's clearly going on here. As a customer, nothing makes me want to throw my phone faster than tapping the screen and having it just stare back at me. And with this many occurrences, odds are this is happening to a lot of customers. Good reason to fix the problem fast. So, Good Home has a clear indication that something's wrong. And now, to get to what's really happening, all they have to do is click on View Sessions to see real, recorded sessions of the customer using their mobile app. Sorting through this list of recent sessions is simple enough. A digital manager can just look for a session with a high frustration score and click in to get a summary and details. And here, even without taking time to view the session recording, Medallia gives a short AI-powered summary of the session, providing details on what the journey entailed and what issues came up. Looks like this one was a purchase journey, and we can see some experience issues with those unresponsive clicks on the My Orders page. These types of issues on a journey tied to sales is a major red flag and needs to be handled quickly to protect revenue. So the next step is to review the recording and see where the customer is getting stuck. Watching this replay from a customer session in the Good Home app, the digital experience score maps key interactions to every moment, so you can see what's tracking as the customer navigates. Looks like they've opened the app to check on their pickup order, and now we can see that unresponsive touch showing up here on the orders page. Seems like once the order is in processing, the app isn't allowing the customer to open the order. So they can't change it, cancel it, or see if it's ready. Not the ideal experience for an in-store pickup. As you can imagine, this could domino a dozen ways. Online chats to figure out order status, calls to the contact center to cancel or edit an order, and frustrated customers showing up at the store not knowing if their order is ready, or if they're going to have to spend time strolling aisles finding items themselves. But thanks to Medallia's monitoring of Good Home's mobile app, the domino gets stopped in its tracks. A digital manager can grab the session recording, share it with their development team, and push a solution out that restores trust in the brand and keeps the purchase process smooth. There are a million factors that go into an enterprise customer experience, and the numbers only tell part of the story. When you need to dig deeper, digital experience analytics is the #1 choice for enterprises that want to act fast and keep web and app experiences generating revenue and loyalty.